Most people don't lack confidence, they lack proof. They want confidence before action, but confidence only comes after action. So they fake it, they act loud, they copy body language, and deep down, they still feel weak. This video is not about motivation, it's about building confidence. You don't have to pretend. Core truth: confidence is not a personality trait, it's a byproduct. You don't think your way into confidence, you earn it. And there are only 3 places real confidence comes from. Miss even one, and you'll feel insecure no matter what mindset video you watch. System 1: physical capability. If you can't protect yourself, your brain knows it. That's why weak men overthink. Their body sends danger signals all day. You don't need to fight people, you need to know you can. That's why boxing, calisthenics, combat sports create confidence faster than affirmations ever will. Train your body, your mind will follow automatically. System to skill evidence. Insecurity comes from incompetence. If you don't have a skill, a routine, or measurable progress, your confidence has no foundation. Pick one skill, train it daily, track progress. Confidence grows when results are visible, not imagined. System 3: social proof through action. Confident people don't chase approval, they are too busy executing. Insecurity grows in idle time. Scrolling, comparing, consuming. Action kills insecurity because it leaves no mental space for it. The fastest way to build confidence is not thinking better, it's being busier with things that matter. Practical reset. Very important. If you feel insecure right now, do this for 7 days. 1 hour physical training, 1 hour skill work, 0 motivational content, no quotes, no affirmations, no fake positivity. Just work. By day 7, you'll feel confident, you'll feel stable. You need to build yourself. Confidence is not something you wait for, it's something you arrive at. Train, develop skill, reduce idle time. The confidence will show up on its own.